Namaste and welcome back to my little corner of the world. Today feels like a quiet, reflective day. So I thought it would be a perfect time to talk about something that's been on my mind. Over past 2 years since we moved here, we have been decluttering so much, both physically and emotionally. It's been a slow journey, but one that has taught me so much. Just few months ago, I organized this credenza to store all my crockery. Everything neatly stacked, polished, ready for use. But recently, when I started using my office cabinet for few things, I realized that organizing isn't just about placing things in perfect rows. It's more about reassessing, rethinking. And that got me wondering, doesn't life feel the same sometimes? We arrange things in one way and later we realize it's time for a little shuffle. A little assessment of what truly fits and what doesn't. So I have decided to move my crockery in this cabinet in my home office. I'm using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to remove all the stains and surprising load of dust that was hiding behind large boxes. I think just like our home in life too, unless we reassess, we never truly know if something fits or not. It's almost like wearing shoes a size too small, and until and unless we don't take them off, we don't realize the discomfort we have been living with. After moving to Mumbai, I sort of closed myself off, and I believe that my family and home should be my only focus as a homemaker. But over the time, I realized I was neglecting my own happiness and my mental health. Well, I was sharing this to one of my friends over a phone call when she overheard me, and later she told me, you know what, you really need to go out, meet new people, join new groups. So I have decided to give myself and this city a second chance, explore new places, find new meaningful connections, enjoy beaches that we have here in Mumbai. Just like today, I was actually all decked up to start recording right after I finished cooking lunch. And what came to my mind, I said, you know what, there'll never be a perfect day to go out. I packed my notebook and a pen and decided to visit a very cute cafe very close by to our place. I didn't realize I was there for almost 2 hours, and later it turned into a lunch date with Anshuman. And so happened that I should have been very tired because I went out and moved around one place to other. But I was feeling so energized that I decided to rearrange this place which I was thinking to rearrange for a very long time.
I will get close to your heartache if you want to open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
Reorganizing or redecorating isn't just about tidying up a space and making our homes beautiful, but also about clearing our own mind. So I would say take that second chance, and whether it's for your home or for yourself, we need to remind ourselves life is like our homes always deserve a little reassessment. Well, on topic of organizing, I really love these cutlery box that you just saw. I use this to keep my golden and black cutleries. I would not recommend the black cutleries. They are not good at all. I got them from Amazon and they are not good quality at all.
Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck. Give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Oh, we could be birds discovering the world, the best ones they've ever heard about. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. I promise you, promise you. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. I promise you, promise you.
So, as I wrap up reorganizing my home, I leave you with this thought. Just like I'm giving a home a fresh start, I'm giving myself one too. I'm making space for new experiences, new joys, because life deserves to be reassessed now and then, don't you think so? Let me know if you have ever gone through something like this, like adjusting to a new city or just rediscovering yourself. I would love to hear your stories in comments. And if you are in Mumbai or have some favorite spots here, then please do share. I am ready to explore. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.